It is hemp delivery day, which is so exciting, but also a little stressful because my building permit did not come through this week as I'd hoped it would. But the hemp is here. It's about 6 months too early. It doesn't matter. I'm excited. And yeah, even with no building permit, there's so many things we can do. We got to build an outhouse and some sawhorses. I've got to clean up that sea can, get our tools organized, and we got to figure out how we're going to store this hemp. Oh geez.
Oh yeah, it's wet up here.
All right, so it rained during our hemp delivery.
Hey.
So now we are wiping it off. The sun is out, but we want to tarp it just in case because it's supposed to rain again today. So yeah, yes, this is earlier than what I needed the hemp. I don't need the hemp till September. It is end of March, but it was a really good deal, and the company that I got it from was going out of business, so they just wanted to get rid of it. So I took it. Now to just keep it dry and rodent free, which might be a challenge, but oh well, it is what it is. It hurts me to have to buy new plastic tarps because I hate plastic. There's way too much plastic in the world, and these hemp pallets are already wrapped in plastic. The bags are in plastic and the whole pallets are wrapped in plastic. But unfortunately, I just didn't really think this through, and I ordered the hemp on a whim, and now we've got these big old plastic tarps. Okay. This one, I was able to reuse an old tarp. I don't know what Kevin's doing with the plywood, just making it look trashy. Plywood and wood, I guess, to stop the wind. All right, hemp is done. Next up, sawhorses.
Best thing to do when you're preparing to build a house,
Yeah,
is build some sawhorses.
with old growth reclaimed lumber.
So the 36s are for the tops, the 32s are for the feet or the legs, and then the 30s are to the collar at the bottom of the legs. So we need 8 of these, need 3 more. 4 of these, I just need 1 more. So 3 more of those and 1 more of these. Okay, just before we put another one in, we're going to do this one, and then we're going to put the bottom piece on.
Okay. Alright. Our horse has a leg.
You get 4 screws in there?
Oh, I did 2.
2.
You did 4?
Yeah, 4. Oh. Okay. Yes, so I'll hold the legs. Just put 1 in for now. Right there, yeah.
Right there.
Right there. Just like that. 8 inches here. 8 inches here. Okay, now.
Oh, look at that sawhorse.
Now, feel this.
She's beautiful.
See, she's sturdy as a heifer.
As a heifer.
I don't know whatever. Okay. Thing is about these is that old growth is heavy.
It's heavy.
That's the problem. Okay, should we do the other one tomorrow, or what do you think? Should we do it now?
What do you want to do?
Well, we've already got the top put together.
That's true. Yeah, it'll go fast. Let's do it.
Yeah. Woo! I almost took my thumb out there. I trusted you.
I know, I'm sorry. Two sawhorses. How long should it take us? Every time Kevin, we start a project, he's like 20 minutes. A little bit longer.
Is that a half hour maybe?
I don't know. I'll have to look at when I start filming. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. A busy day of organizing. Yeah, I got it. All right, so I've got tons of stuff in here. I've got some tools. I've got a bunch of recycling that I've been hoarding. I have a mattress that needs to go into the RV. I've got stuff that can come out. Other things that I salvage that I was going to use for the house, like windows, but we're not using anymore, so that's got to go. So how about the stuff that stays in can go over here?
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh.
When you live in an RV, it's hard sometimes to not hoard recycling. And yeah, sea cans coming out. A lot of this stuff has to go back in, but we'll make it. That's it. Like that's.
Look at that. We only took up like 2 feet.
I know. It kind of goes to show though that like I'm gonna have nothing in my house when I do, because like this is all camping stuff. A few things of decor, some teaching things. Yeah. 2 chairs. All right, definitely still a work in progress, but all the stuff behind the bikes is like. Don't need it, so for my summer clothes until like the house. So we have the workstations here now all set up, which we need to get some more bins and kind of organize the tools a little bit more, but lots of storage, which is great. And then we have all this other space. I think we did pretty good. We have like half the sea can, all this extra space. I'm proud of us. What are we doing?
We are building a shitter.
Oh, I can't say that. All right, we're getting the composting toilet ready so I don't have to pay all of those fees every month for a porta potty on site because my permit's coming soon. I know it is. We're building it on a pallet to keep costs down. Actually, pretty much other than screws, everything will be salvage materials. So win-win.
Oh, you're gonna miss it.
Oh.
I'm gonna go back here a little. Yeah.
Right there.
Okay, so we're doing a 412 angle.
412.
So you put your square on
412 pitch on the roof.
For a 412 pitch. And then your common top cuts here, you go 4, you line up to 4 with that. And then that is your angle.
Cool. So that'll be the roof piece then. top, or the top.
This is the top of the wall.
412 pitch.
412.
Coming along. Getting to use my salvage greenhouse pieces that I've made so far cold frames out of. And now they'll go on here as a temporary solution. But I do kind of hope I still have some left over for more cold frames.
How's the front look?
Looks good. Door today on our very rustic outhouse. Oh, and put the roof on too, which is all salvaged panels from a greenhouse. I think it's good. Need a door handle yet?
Few little peepholes.
All right, so I have been stressing a little bit about this hemp and whether or not tarping it is going to protect it from the rain and humidity as well as the mice. So I bought a sea can. I bought a 40-foot sea can, which was expensive, and now all my savings for the hemp is gone. I don't know if that was the right move or not. I don't know if I should have just risked it. I probably shouldn't have bought the hemp so early, but I couldn't pass up that deal. But anyways, it is what it is. We're getting the 40-foot sea can, and we'll put the hemp in there soon.